Today is Nessie Day.
Sorry, there's no smoking in here.
How's your fishing been?
Depends what kind of fish you're looking to catch.
Trout, bass?
The catch is down a little, but most people don't complain.
Any accidents reported around the lake lately?
Last month, a kid got a fishing hook in the eye. That was exciting.
Ouch.
You a reporter?
Nope. Cryptozoologist.
The study of unknown species. That's cool.
Smart kid.
Nah, I just watch a lot of cable TV.
What's your name?
Josh Riley, the bait store manager, boat renter, and an avid reader of Science Digest.
Well, Josh, I'm gonna need to rent a boat with a guide tomorrow morning.
Sure.
How much?
40 an hour, plus gas. That includes gear and bait. What's your name, sir?
James Murphy.
Nice.